Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use provided phase diagram to obtain a basic water in its triple point. So let's say we have a bottle of water that is half filled. So do you think we can apply this phase diagram straightforward to the bottle? No, the reason is because we will have some air inside of the bottle. So it's not only water, but it is water and air. So the pressure inside of the bottle equals 1 atmospheric pressure, and partial pressure of the water would equal to the partial pressure of air, and like the sum of the partial pressures would add up to 1 atmospheric pressure. So in order to apply this phase diagram to our bottle of water, we have to open it, and so we can heat this up. So while we are heating, the water starts boiling, and initially there will be water vapor formed inside of the bottle. So as the water starts boiling, the vapor formed would make the air leave the bottle. So we'll be left with only water vapor inside of the bottle and water in its liquid phase. Okay, when we just close the bottle, we will have a system which only contains water. So there is water in its liquid state and water in its vapor state, and the pressure would equal to 1 atmospheric pressure. So now we can apply this phase diagram to our bottle. So let's say now we're at this point where we have a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and the pressure of, let's say, like 10 to the power pascals. And now inside of this bottle, we formed an equilibrium between vapor and liquid state. So if we go through this line, the vapor curve and vapor region and liquid region would have an equilibrium. So essentially, in order to get a water in triple point, we have to cool this up. So as we cool it down, the temperature will decrease and the pressure will also decrease by this line. So in order to get it to the triple point, we can just leave it in the fridge, but we cannot leave it for a long time, because the reason is if we leave it for too long, we might end up in this region where we would have equilibrium with only solid state and vapor state of the water. So we have only ice and vapor water inside of the bottle. So we can leave this bottle for half an hour maybe to get some ice formed. Here, and we would have liquid, and we would have some water in its vapor state. And another thing is that as we cool it down, the pressure would also decrease, which means we would have a vacuum inside of it. So the triple point of water would occur when the temperature would be equal to 0.01 degrees Celsius, and the pressure of water at that temperature would be equal to 0.6 kilopascals. So we are going to 10 to the power 5 pascals to 0.6 kilopascals, which is a great decrease. So if we when we use this bottle, and with the too much water, this bottle might explode because of the pressure. So as we see, the triple point is water in triple point is one of the easiest things to obtain at home. So we can just do this experiment at home and obtain some water in its triple phase.